Series title, Sabbath Under Fire, Exposing the 8 Lies That Deny God's Commandment. Introduction. Episode 1. Rest, not worship. The lie that Sabbath was never for gathering. Rebut the claim that Sabbath is only for staying home. Use Leviticus 23:3, Isaiah 66:23, and Luke 4:16. Conclude with challenge. If Sabbath was only for rest, why did Jesus and all Israel gather to worship on it? Episode 2. Jesus is my rest. The lie that abolishes the seventh-day command. Rebut the spiritual-only rest theory using Hebrews 4:9, Sabbatismos. Show Jesus didn't replace Sabbath. He fulfilled it by keeping it. Challenge. If Jesus is our rest, does that cancel the 4th commandment or confirm it? Episode 3. Sunday Shift. The lie about apostolic worship on the first day address Acts 27 and 1 Corinthians 16:2. Prove Sabbath keeping by Paul and early believers, Acts 13:42, 18:4. Challenge. Where is the command to change the day? Show it, or stop teaching it. Episode 4. Under grace, not law. The lie that grace erased the 10 commandments. Show Romans 6:14 does not cancel obedience. Romans 3:31, 1 John 2:3-6. Emphasize Hebrews 8:10. God writes the law in hearts. Challenge. If grace cancels the law, why will the disobedient be judged by it? Revelation 14:12. Episode 5. It wasn't in Acts 15. The lie of omission from the Jerusalem Council. Show Acts 15:21 as proof Sabbath was assumed. Rebut silence as endorsement for law-breaking. Challenge. If the 10 commandments are void, why didn't the apostles say to stop all of them, not just circumcision? Episode 6. You're a Pharisee. The lie that obedience is legalism. Compare Jesus' rebuke of hypocritical lawbreakers versus command keepers. Use Luke 23:56 and Revelation 14:12 to show Sabbath keepers are faithful. Challenge. Was Jesus a legalist for keeping the Sabbath, or was he obedient? Episode 7. Keep all 613 or none. The lie that Sabbath keepers must follow Moses' law. Separate 10 commandments from Mosaic ordinances. Exodus 31:18, Deuteronomy 5:22. Prove the moral law was written by God himself, not Moses. Challenge. If all 613 laws are equal, why were only 10 placed inside the Ark of the Covenant? Episode 8. Colossians cancels the Sabbath. The lie that Paul erased the 4th commandment. Show that Colossians 2:16-17 refers to ceremonial feast Sabbaths, not the weekly 7th day. Use Leviticus 23 to separate them. Challenge. If Paul abolished the Sabbath, why did he keep preaching every Sabbath in Gentile cities?